Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the essentials so you waste no time. First, verify your account and plan status, then capture the exact error messages and screenshots. This helps isolate the problem. Once done, restart the app or browser and clear cache to eliminate transient issues. Make sure to switch networks and test again because connectivity often masquerades as model faults. You are now ready to reproduce the failure consistently and move into deeper diagnostics without guessing. You now pivot to systematic diagnosis. Reproduce the issue exactly and record each input and expected output, since reproducibility narrows causes quickly. Then run tests across prompts, browsers, devices, and in incognito mode to separate client from server problems. Meanwhile, inspect API keys, rate limits, and any service status indicators. Consult console or network logs for error codes. Once you identify a pattern, like specific prompts or a blocked endpoint, plan targeted fixes and prepare rollback steps if changes worsen. You apply the prioritized fix, update settings, rotate API keys, patch client code, or adjust prompt templates depending on the diagnosis. Then verify with regression tests and realistic user scenarios, measuring outcomes and confirming the issue no longer reproduces. Make sure to monitor for side effects and document the change window. If the problem persists, escalate promptly with a concise bundle, error screenshots, logs, exact reproduction steps, timestamps, and what you've already tried. That speeds resolution and avoids repeating work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.